Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Saw one of the Pokemon machines in Safeway and decided to see if it had anything, and scored 6 packs. So let's see what is in the Pokemon. I know the top cards in here are the top card is the Pikachu. Then there's a couple other cards in this as well that are halfway decent. Oh, we got some color there. It's an EX. I don't really know much about Pokemon, so forgive me, other than knowing that Pikachu is one of the bigger pulls in this stuff. I know the EXs are supposedly some of the cards that you're looking for, so we might have pulled something halfway decent there. And I'm not really that aware of it. We will find out after the rip. If you guys want to see more Pokemon stuff on the channel, not just sports cards, let me know in the comments. I'll try to make this happen a little bit more often for you guys. I'm starting to learn about the Pokemon world. This was a little bit after my time as a kid. But I'm starting to get into it. There's so many different sets and variants and the elite trainer boxes and the this and that and the other. Like, it's a lot to learn. Like, I know Pikachu, Charizard, you know, like some of the old school Pokemon, but a lot of the newer ones, I have no clue about. Last pack. This one wants to fight. Don't want to open. There we go. Alright, so that's the 6 packs of the Pokemon cards. Here's all our foils that we got. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the Pokemon with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.